Well, hi, I'm Tony Capizzi. I'm a judge in Montgomery County Juvenile Court. The CASA Program is a special advocates program for young people all over the country. And we're very proud in Montgomery County. For about the last 30 to 35 years, we've had a CASA program in our community. And its strength is that we have citizens who volunteer their time and effort to really help our court. Gives us a set of eyes that really are neutral. And that's what's key. We need someone that tells us from the children's perspective what's important. And having a volunteer who we train to make sure they understand what we need makes all the difference in the world. It gives me as a judge a mindset, or gives me insight really, as to what that child's thinking about, not from the perspective of the parents, from a grandparent, from children's services, but it's the child's perspective. And that's what we really need. I need an independent, third-party kind of person that can say, Judge, in my opinion, what's in the best interest of this child is A, B, C, or D. Now, in the end, we have to make the call. We make very difficult decisions on what's best for that child. So the CASA program started in Montgomery County, like I said, about 35 years ago. We've had a ongoing relationship with our community to bring people in from all sectors. And I love teaching these volunteers because they are so like a sponge. They want to help children and they want information. They want to be educated on how to do it. They learn that really they get as much out of it as the kids do. So as a CASA volunteer, you can come to this court and you know you make a difference to the children that we serve every day. And with the training we give you, you really get some insight as to what a trier of fact, what the judge or magistrate needs trying to understand. And you'll also find out when you come to watch the trials, how interesting it is to see the children's services perspective, a parent's perspective, but I need the child's perspective. And that's what you give me. So when you come with an open mind, we will fill your mind with information. We'll train you on how to be a great CASA volunteer. You really aren't supposed to tell me what the parent wants. You're supposed to tell me what the child needs. And frankly, sometimes what the child needs isn't what the child wants. So that is critical. You can't just say, Judge, little Johnny wants to do this. You have to say, Judge, little Johnny may want this, but in his best interest, we recommend, or I recommend, this other option. So again, we always need volunteers. But the sad reality is the job never goes away. We always have children who, through no fault of their own, are in my court because they're either dependent or they've been abused. And with your help, we help these children. In many situations, end up going back to their families. But there are situations and times where they can't. And we need an impartial perspective. Where's the safest situation we can put this child in for them to be nurtured and grow? Over the next 5 or 10 years, we have a strong program. It will be growing. We're working stronger with both the state and national CASA programs to make sure we train better and make sure we do a better job of helping the families that we serve. The focus is always on children. Please never forget that. As a volunteer, your focus is on the kids. It's not on the parents, it's not on the guardian, it's not on the doctors or the lawyers, it's on the children. We have a lot of difficult situations in Montgomery County, just like the rest of the United States. But we do a job as a community to protect our own. We have to make sure we give these kids the best effort we can to make sure the youth in Montgomery County have the best chance of being safe and secure.